Hello everybody, my name is Rudra and today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper ninja star. Let's get crafting. So first we have to fold this in half. Then we open it back up and fold it back into half. Okay, now we do the same for the other side, like this. And then we do it again. Now we fold this side like this, then we open this and fold it like that. Then we kind of like, there's meant to be this crease here, so just tighten it, then fold it back down, and back up like this. Now we fold this all in half, and then we just fold it in half up to the tip, and fold it down. Then we're going to fold this like that, and then this part will open it here, and that fold is going to go inside both of them like this. Then we're going to fold it down like that. Now we will put this aside and we just have to make another one of them. So have this. Then you open it back up, do the same thing. I'm doing a little quicker because this one was a bit thicker. And open it up once again. So it's basically the exact same thing. And then we're going to open it up, and there should be the same pocket right here. It doesn't really matter which side it's on. It just has to be a pocket. Then it's like this. Fold it up. Then glue again. This. Now this is also a thin one, so then it's easier. Okay, now I'm going to do the same on the other side. This. So then we're just going to try and get this part straight so that it doesn't like do the same thing with the silver one. It'll do that and here. So then like this, and once again fold it in half. Everything's basically the same. It's just repeated 4. So then like this, and then another pocket. Like this. So then we'll open that pocket up and then fold it inside of it. Like this. And if it doesn't, just try to twist this a bit harder. Now, let's put it in. Like that. Then these, they're all meant to be lined up the same way, so then you can't put one like this when you're putting it together. They all have to be facing the same way. Now the last one, it's also silver. This. Well, since this one was double-sided, I didn't basically have to check if the white one was outside or inside. Then that basically means it's just cut out. So the silver one, it had a white side, so that basically means it's origami paper. Oh wait, this part I'll have to open it. This up, then flat like that. Then close it. And once again, fold it. I'm kind of like curving it so then I can easily find where I have to fold it and easily fold it down. So then like this once again, and like this, and the pocket. All 4 of them are now lined up. Now we can do it. This goes in like that. Then this through like that. Then you're going to put this like this. So then I'm going to pull those 2 like that. And just keep on pulling it till it's all like tightened. And there we go, a ninja star. Thank you.